Are you into making sourdough? Well, I am. I actually have sourdough bread right over here that's proofing. And I want to say that this find on Amazon is really amazing. It's a sourdough starter kit, basically. It's called an Anixa proofing kit. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it correctly, but this has everything you need to perfect the art of sourdough baking. First off, you get these two beautiful different sized proofing baskets with the fabric right over here. Then you get this whisk, which I absolutely love to use with my sourdough starter as I take it out and I'm whisking the flour in. So convenient, helpful, and it saves you a ton of time. An oil brush, a cleaning brush, which I find very convenient once everything dries up to kind of just scrape this around the basket. And this right here, it sort of cuts the dough. If you're making, rolls or you want to evenly cut the dough, this is really great. These are a bunch of bread stencils to have different designs on the bread or pastries. Then you have a blade holder, super important when you're scoring the sourdough, and tons of fresh blades, which can be attached onto here. There's also this white scraper, which I personally love, so easy to wash and use. And this right here, I'm not sure what you call it, but you usually put flour in it and it will sift through everything. Sifter? Last but not least, you get this beautiful bag, which I like to store bread in. All right, so my sourdough has proofed officially, and I'm gonna score it with this tool right over here. This is not sharp, so they provide you blades, which you can then attach to this handle and score really easily. I'm gonna take out these blades and put them in this leather pouch. It stores better that way. Take out a blade. Be careful, these are really sharp, and you'll see an opening right over here. And this is where you attach this tool. And there we have it. Scoring bread has never been easier with this tool. The only problem is figuring out which pattern you want. If you want to encourage someone to start making sourdough, go ahead and gift them this kit. It has everything you need and even more. This is one of those priceless gifts that keeps on giving.